Good morning, Sampark. My name is Raunak Mantri. I've got a very small family. My younger son, Ved, he is 3 years old. My elder daughter, Vrisha, she is 9 years old. And my wife, Ruchika, she's a fantastic cook and a home baker. And the USP of her recipes is definitely Kirana from Mantri Kirana. So my extended family is huge. No time to explore there right now. Okay, so I've got a rich work experience of fabricating, erecting atta and basin milling units, getting them ISO 22000 certified, operating, automating such units. I've also got experience with foundry scrapping, and I've been a scrap trader and sold plant and machinery of foundry and scrapping plants. I also have experience with polymer sales and sales in polymer films and industrial films. Okay, with Mantri Kirana, I have involved with the last 5 years. Okay, we focused on the service aspect of this business. We've quadrupled WhatsApp sales, so we also take orders on WhatsApp. And we have also developed an app, which is mantrimart.com. I've been personally involved with this app. It's my entrepreneurial venture. I've found entrepreneurial success with this app, and clocking more than 350 orders per annum and more than 10 lakh in sales every year, like continuously right now. So if we supply to Kirana stores all across Vidarbha since 1955, so your mohalla wala Kirana store definitely knows us and procures either some or many of his ingredients from us. We also supply to caterers, restaurants, banquet owners, hotel owners, commercial canteens, messes, Jamaat khanas, langars, mandals, NGOs, the list is endless. We also supply to dry fruit wholesalers, dry fruit lovers, people who love to have dry fruits for health reasons. ठीक है, ladies, आप सब जानते हैं कि इंसान का मतलब आदमी के दिल का रास्ता उसके पेट से जाता है. So if you really want to up the ante in your home cooking, and if you're looking for very flavorful spices and ingredients for your kitchen, you can definitely get in touch with me. Even the men, you can really increase your food pleasure. Acharis, Bhatyaras, Maharaj, Khansamas, इनका लिस्ट आप लेकर हमारे पास आ सकते हैं. अगर if you're managing your own kitchen in your home house function, we can get you the ingredients. We are experts at this. Avoid bad food experience. You will get great quality of raw materials from us. And Samaj, Sanstha's manage, Mandals, इनके management हमको contact करते हैं to get the ingredients for their function. अगर जीवन का असली स्वाद है लेना, तो एक बार किचन लिस्ट मंत्री किराना को व्हाट्सएप कर देना. That is the mantra which I would leave you with. There's a short video of our app promo, which I would like to now show you. I hope the audio is there. Yeah. Okay, so that's it from me. My name is Raunak Mantri, signing off. Always available for Sampark Parivar. Thank you so much.